Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share some tips you can use when purchasing shorts, or even if you're cleaning out your closet and are trying to decide which shorts to keep or get rid of. First, you want to figure out your body type. This may be a little difficult to figure out, as some shapes like pear or hourglass shapes may be a little similar to one another. If you are shaped like an hourglass or pear, you want to lean towards high-waisted. These types of shorts will highlight your slim waist and hug your curves. If you're rectangular or ruler shaped, you want shorts with scalloping, pleating, or slouching. This will add shape to your body. Number 2. If you're looking for slimmer looking legs, go up a few sizes. This will allow for a wider bottom, which in turn will make your legs look slimmer. Don't worry too much about the waist, because you can always get that tailored to fit your body. If you're unable to go up a few sizes in shorts, then definitely think about looking up wide leg shorts or palazzo style shorts. You can find these at Anthropologie. I believe I've seen them at Target, Macy's. Definitely consider that, because all you really do want out of all of this are wider bottoms. Number 3. This one is simple, but if you're out shopping or if you have shorts that have a hemmed cuff, remember that this can be cut off, giving you a longer pair of shorts. Don't give up on those shorts just yet. If when cutting that hem, you notice that there's a little hole or something, just fill that in. You can give it like a little bedazzle or anything like that. Just don't give up on the shorts just yet. Not sure if you can see it, but just by cutting that hem and having the left side longer and wider, allowing to cover our upper thigh area, which is always thicker, my left side ends up looking slimmer than the right side does. Number 4, Bermuda shorts. Consider Bermuda shorts. For someone who is hourglass or pear-shaped, the length allows for your legs to look longer. But not only do your legs look longer, you end up looking slimmer as well. This tip leads right into tip number 5. Do not, and I repeat this, do not purchase shorts that are too tight or too short. You may think that they look nice, but with tight shorts, your fat gets pushed down, which makes your thighs look bigger than they actually are. Secondly, hygiene-wise and pain-wise, tight shorts hurt and are very uncomfortable. Also, when having them so tight in your private area, there is a huge chance that you can end up with an infection, and you do not want that at all. This last tip or trick is not about how you want to wear your shorts. It's more if you have legs like I do that rub together, consider using some powder. This will help with chafing, and it will also help if your legs kind of sweat in that area. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.